Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. So today I'm back with another wig haul, and the wigs I have to show you guys today are half wigs. I've been seeing the headband wig trend all over YouTube, and of course I also had to jump on it. So yeah, without talking too much, let's head right into today's video. In case you guys can hear any noise, I'm really sorry about that. I don't know whatever construction is going on outside today. I don't know, I think somebody's working on something outside and the noise is really loud. Just in case you guys can hear, I'm really sorry about that. So the first wig I have to show you guys today is the Sensationnel instant weave, and this one is in the style Amani. You guys, if you've watched or you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I have reviewed the full wig of Amani, and when I tell you Amani is bomb, if you've not seen that video, click on the card right here and you should watch that video, because that's one of my favorite wigs in the world. I love her. She's so beautiful. And let me not just talk too much, let's just open this one and see what we have. And I have her in the color 1B. So this is what she looks like straight out of the pack, and she comes with combs in front and also combs at the back, and of course we have our adjustable straps as well. So let's just get to it. These wigs are supposed to be easy to style. Just pop on your head and use your headband and you're right out of the house. So I have my wig cap on, and yeah, this is what we have. My hair is very short, so you don't even have to be bothered if you have short hair. Just put your wig cap and move it to the back like I have right now, and that's it. And my hairline nowhere to be found, but we're just going to ignore that. So let's just go ahead and see Miss Amani. All right, you guys, so this is it, and she's on. Very easy to put on, no stress. I just hooked the combs right here, and the combs at the back, I'm not going to use them because I don't think it's necessary for me anyway. So, and now I'm just going to be tying that down with this headband that I got off AliExpress a while ago. It's been a very long time. I think I got it last year or so. It came as a bow. I got it for my daughter last year, but I just lose the bow and then I have this. So I have some headbands that come pre-tied, but this one doesn't, so I'm just going to try to tie this one. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like with the curls defined, but I want mine to be a little bit fuller. You can decide to leave it at this point because she still looks very cute defined like this, but you guys know me, I'm extra. I like my units being full, so I'm just going to run my fingers through it, and yeah, let's just do that. Alright, you guys, so this is what she looks like after I ran my fingers through the curls. And you guys, how gorgeous is this unit right here? Like, how cute. Amani, she's just one of my favorite wigs in the world. This half wig pretty much looks like the full wig as well. Like the curls, I can't just get over this curls. Can you guys see how beautiful this is? And I got this unit off Sam's Beauty, and it retailed for $16.99, you guys. With this, you can be right out of your house in like no time. And also, if you're like me and you don't have a lot of edges, you're still safe because this headband pretty much covered all my edges, and all that's just showing is just this part right here. So she's definitely a look. You don't even have to be a professional to be able to rock this unit. All you need is a good headband and you're fine. And can you guys see how gorgeous this looks for just $16.99? Come on, this is so beautiful. This is the answer to our prayers on our lazy days when we don't have time to lay down our units and we still want to look fly, look nice. And I didn't experience no shedding or tangling with this unit. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this one. So let's just get right into the next one. Moving on to the second unit that I have to show you guys today. This one is from Outre and is the quick weave in the style Dominican curly, and I have her in the color 1B. They retailed for $19.99. So let's take this baby out. So this is what this one looks like straight out of the pack, and I'm already loving these curls. Looking at it, I'm excited about this one. So this one also comes with combs in front and it comes with combs at the back, and of course our adjustable straps as well. So this is another color of the same headband that I used earlier. You guys, can you guys see the cute curls that this one comes with already? Looks so good. Alright guys, so this is what this one looks like, and I love the curls on this one, and she's very full. I didn't run my fingers through it at all, and this is all the hair to the front, and I didn't have to run my fingers through it to have it this full. And you guys, I'm obsessed with this one. I love it. The curls are so beautiful, and I'm also going to try to style this one in another way because I feel like it will be cute styled to the front as well. So this is what she looks like styled this way, and this is also very cute. So that's the good part about this half wig, and I think that this is also a cute style that you can wear with this unit. And you guys, she's so cute. These curls though, can you guys see how beautiful this curls are? The curls is beautiful, the density is so beautiful. This is definitely going to be one of my favorite wigs. This is so cute for just $19. And you guys already know we are going to with this one, right? You guys already know we are going to. It's a look, baby. This hair, oh my god. What? Can you guys see that curls? Can you guys see the curls? Can you guys see the curls? Can you guys see the curls? I'm so excited about this one. And I don't know why I didn't say Amani was a look. Can you see? I'm kind of being partial today, even though Amani is also a look. But this one right here, baby. And I didn't experience no shedding or tangling with this one. But of course, I didn't run my fingers through the curls, so I wouldn't expect to experience shedding or tangling. And yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one was your favorite. I think I'm rooting for this one, surprisingly. As much as I like Amani, I really love how this one looks. I love the curls. I love everything about this unit, and the fact that it's also versatile and you could style it in like multiple ways. This one is kind of, you know, taking Amani's place for me today. And that pretty much brings us to the end of today's video. Do not forget to like this video if you did enjoy, and subscribe to my channel as well. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.